Hello, hello, friends. It's Danny here of Danny's Dreams. Today I am stopping by to show my latest goodies from Sweet November Stamps. Amy Young, who is the artist and owner behind Sweet November Stamps, along with her sister. But Amy is like my crafting, stamping, coloring idol, I guess you could say. She is the one who introduced me to Mermaid. I absolutely love her stamps, her digital stamps, her clear stamps, everything. And for the last couple of years in May, Sweet November Stamps has had a large mermaid stamp release. This year was no different. And so I splurged and got all of the clear stamps that were released this last weekend. And so I got my package today. So I thought I would share what I got because I know that there's some people out there that haven't heard of Sweet November Stamps, and I want to help spread the word. Plus, they are just so much fun. Mermaids for Mermaid. I didn't get to create as many mermaids so far this month as I had planned, which seems to be a trend with me, but it's still fun. I love to see the mermaids, and I plan to keep my Mermaid Monday going throughout the year and throw in some fun mermaids here and there, so it's all good. I love ordering from Sweet November Stamps to get it all wrapped up like a little package. And then there's usually a sticker that is from like the release. And then you open that up and it's like another package. I love when companies send the invoice so I can make sure that I got everything. Again, super fun, wrapped up. Look at that fun washi tape. It's like nautical themed, super cool. And you also usually get a card. This is one usually from Amy, and her, she's my stamping, crafting idol. I love, love, love her coloring, her creations. Again, she's the artist, so she drew this fun mermaid. I love the bubbles, have like some clear, like glossy accents on them. Super cute little mini slimline. So that is super fun. All right. And then there is usually a little sticker that comes with it. I have quite the collection going. This one is adorable. And look at that. It's even like mermaid themed tissue paper there. All right, so let's dig into what I got. I cannot wait to play with these. My son is coming home this weekend, so that's a good thing, but it means less crafty time this weekend, so hopefully next week I can get crafty with some of these. All right, so let's start off. First is Mermaid Hair. How fun is that? Got this long, long, long hair, and hers is going up. That's that one that was on that card there. May your day be filled with more bubbles than troubles. Mermaid hair don't care. I love you deeply. And it's got little hermit crabs, some little fish, some bubbles. She's got a little crab friend, a little fishy friend there too. So fun. I can't wait. That hair will be so fun to color up. Next up is the Merweeze set 2. I, of course, have set 1, so I had to have set 2. These fun little gals and their little friends. Look at that little turtle. And this little walrus here is so cute and so fun. Got some bubbles, turtle, a jellyfish. Cutest mermaid under the sea. Never let anyone burst your bubble. Adorable, adorable. Got let's see. I love that Sweet November Stamps has like scene builders in their digital and clear. I got the Simple Room scene builder. May your walls know joy. May every room hold laughter and every window open to great possibility. So there's all kinds of things you can do with this. And then I got the Simple Room pirate ship add-on because there's a pirate themed mermaid. But this will be used for more than just the mermaids. Speaking of her, here is Bonnie. She's got the cute little mermaid pirate, cute little shrimp to go with her. Mermaids don't lose sleep over the opinion of shrimp. Super cute. Then there is Calico. She's got her Jolly Roger flag there. And no grit, no pearl. The Mermaids set 3. Yes, I have set 1 and 2. These are like not quite like the little girlish ones from like the Merwees. These are a little bit older. I think of these as like teenage ones. But let the current guide your heart. Be a mermaid and make some waves. And a cute turtle, an octopus, some fish. All kinds of fun in that one. And then another scene builder, dock on the bay. So you can make like, you could have like an island in the distance. Could make like a dock there. All kinds of fun stuff. How fun is that little seagull? Another one. Great, great scene builders. And then the last set that I got is the Sunshine and Seashells. I love their little seashell hats. Got lots of like foliage to play along with, some pufferfish. Embrace your inner mermaid. Hope your day is all sunshine and seashells. Fun sandcastle there. So yes, I'm going to have lots of fun with all of these great stamp sets from Sweet November Stamps. Again, I just wanted to stop by and share because if you're a mermaid lover and you haven't heard of them, head on over because there's lots more clear sets that they've released and tons and tons and tons of digital sets in the store that are just begging to come to your home. And so I will link their shop below. And until my next video, have an amazing day. A mermazing day, maybe for Mermaid. Thanks so much. Have a great one.